Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the sums of exercise 4.4. In this exercise, which types of sums are there? These are the division sums, but here something new for you, that is the divisor is of 2 digits. Here the divisor is of 2 digits. Yes, see how we will solve these sums. You can learn from this video, so take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Yes friends, what is the question? Divide the following, then verify your answer. Yes, firstly I am going to do C part. Yes, what is the here dividend is 6192 and the divisor is 25. Yes friends, see how we will do this sum. First of all, divisor is 25, so students, on the side of our calculations of the page of maths notebook, we will write the table of 25. 25 zeros the 0, 25 ones the 25, 25 twos the 50, 25 threes the 75. Like this we will write the table of 25 firstly. Yes, and now we will start our division. See how we will start our division. Here is 6192 divided by 25. Yes, this is the divisor and this is the dividend. Yes, here 2-digit divisor, so we will start our division like this. See here carefully, here are the 2 digits. So firstly we will divide 2 digits from the dividend, that is 61. Yes, now 61 will be divided by 25. Now as you know, we will observe the table of 25, that what can be written under 61. 0 can also be written, 25 can also be written, 50 can also be written, but 75 cannot be written under 61 because we have to do subtraction. So under 61 what we will write? We will write 50. The maximum number out of these three is 50. We will write this. Yes, 25 zeros the 0, 25 ones the 25, 25 twos the 50. So here we will write 25 twos the 50. Yes friends, take care like this. Here if the divisor is having 2 digits, so from the dividend we will divide firstly 2 digits. If the divisor is 1 digit, is having 1 digit, so from here we will take 1 digit. Now here you can see 2 digits are there, divisor is having 2 digits, so we will take 2 digits from the dividend, then our division will start after that. Yes, now we have written 25 twos the 50. Now we will do subtraction. 1 minus 0, 1, 6 minus 5, 1, so we got 11. Now next digit is 9, we will write that, and this will be written downside. Now it has become 119. Now it has become 119. Now 119 will be divided by 25. Now again we will observe the table of 25, that what can be written under 119. This can also be written, this also, this also, this also, and this also, but this cannot be written because it is greater than 125. So we can 119. So we cannot write 125 under 119. So what can be written? 100 we will write. 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4. 25 fours the 100. So here we will write 25 fours the, here we will write 100. Then subtraction, here we got 9, here we got 1. Yes, here is 0, we will ignore this, means we got 19. Now what is the next digit? 2 is there, we will write 2 and we will write it downside. Now it has become 192. Now 192 will be divided by 25. Now it will be divided by 25. Yes, again we will observe the table of 25, that what can be written under 192. Yes, and by observing you can see there up to here all the numbers can be written under 192. So we will take the last number from these, 175. Yes, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 25 sevens the 175. Yes, we will do the subtraction. 2 minus 5 is not possible, so here 12, here 8. 12 minus 5, 7. 8 minus 7, 1. Here 0, we will ignore this. So 17 we got as a remainder. Here you can see there is no any digit left after 2. Yes, we have brought all the digits downside. Yes, after that our division is over. This is divisor, this is quotient, this is dividend, and this is the remainder. Now it is also said in our sum that verify your answer. Now how to verify the answer? As already I told you in the previous video, verify your of answer. How to do verification of the answer? Yes, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient, and in their product we will add remainder. Yes, now divisor is 25, quotient is 247, and the remainder is 17. Yes, now firstly we will do the multiplication. 247 multiplied by 25. 247 multiplied by 25. Yes, 5 sevens the 35, then 23 2. Yes, then 247 multiplied by 2, here 4 9, then 4. So here 5 7 11, 1 carry, here is 6. 6175. Yes, plus 17. 6175 plus 17. Here 12, 1 carry, 9 1 6. We got 6192, and in the sum you can see the dividend is 6192, and after doing this calculation we got the same dividend, so it means that our sum is correct, our calculation is correct. Yes friends, now see one more part, that is we will do I part. Yes, 67,524 divided by 23. Yes, see how we will do this. First of all we will write the table of 23. This table you can write with the help of multiplication. Yes, like this I have written, like this you can write the table of 23. And here see the statement. What is the statement? 67,524 divided by 23. Divisor is having 2 digits, so firstly we will take 2 digits from the dividend. We will write 67. After that we will observe the table of 23, that what can be written under 67. When we observe the table of 23, you can see this can also be written, this also can be written, this also can be written under 67. So out of these three, maximum is 46. So we will take this 0, 1, 2. 23 2s the 46. So here we will write 23 2s the 46. We got here 1 and here 2. We got 21. Now next digit is 5. So that digit we will write here and that will be brought down. Now it has become 215. Now what it has become? 215. From here we will observe the table of 23 and we can find what can be written under 215. As we observed, this can be written under 215. Yes, 23 9s the 207. This can be written. So here we will write 23 9s the 207. Yes. Now see what we will do next. We will do subtraction. 15 minus 7. 8, here 0, here 0. We will ignore these zeros and we will see next digit is 2. We have written 67 and then we have written 5. Now next its turn is of 2. We will write here and this will be brought down side. Now it has become 82. Now 82 will be divided by 23. Yes, now we will observe the table of 23. What can be written under 82? As you can observe, 69 can be written under 82. Yes. Now 23 3 is the 69. Now we will do subtraction. 12 minus 9 3. Here left 7. 7 minus 6 1. So we got here 13 after doing subtraction. Now next is 4. Now it will be brought down side. it is 134. Yes, now you can see what can be written under 134. 138 cannot be written, so we will write 115 under 134. 23 fives the 115. Yes, 14 minus 5 9. Here left 2, 2 minus 1 1. Here 0. This we will ignore. We got 19 as the remainder. This is the quotient, this is the divisor. Yes, and this is the dividend. Here now we have to verify our answer. How we will verify our answer? Verification. As already we have done. How to do verification? Yes, quotient will be multiplied by divisor. Quotient multiplied by divisor. 2935 multiplied by 23. Here we will write dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 23 and quotient is 2935 and the remainder is 19. Now here firstly we will do the multiplication. Yes, in the rough work we will do this. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 10, again 1 carry, 28, 2, 8. Now here 2 5s the 10, 1 carry, 3 to the 6 and 1 7, 2 9s the 18, 1 carry, 2 2s the 4 and 1 5. So here we got 5, here 8 and 7 15, 1 carry, 17, 1 again carry. We got 67,505. Here we got 67,505 and plus 19 remainder. We will add this 19, then we will see what we will get. 14, 1 carry, here 2, here 5, 7, 6. We got here 67,524. 67,524. As you can see, this is the dividend that we get. In the question we will see what is the dividend, and you can see here in the question the dividend is 67,524. These both are matching, means our sum is correct, our calculation is correct. Yes friends, see one more part relating to this. We will do K part of this sum. Yes, and the question is 31,242 divided by 22. Here the divisor is 22 and the dividend is 31,242. First of all we will write the table of 22. This we can write with the help of multiplication. Yes, so here you can see divisor is of 2 digits, so we will take our dividend 2 digits from the dividend, then we will start our division. Here is 31. Yes, now we will observe the table of 22, that what can be written under 31. Yes, 22 can be written under 31. So here 22 ones the 22. Yes, now after doing subtraction we will get 9, then next digit 2, then it will be brought downside. We will ignore this. We got 92. Yes, now we will observe again the table, that what can be written under 92. Yes, we have to do subtraction, so the number must be less than 92, and that is 88, because this can be also written, this can also be written, this can also be written under 92, this can also be subtracted from 92, this can also be subtracted from 92, this cannot be subtracted from 92, so we will take one number before that, and that is 88. Yes, now 22 fours the 88. We will get subtraction here. Yes, then what we will get? Here we will get 4 and here 0. Now it's the next digit turn, that is 4. We will write this and we will brought it downside. Yes, it has become now 44. Now we will observe the table of 44 as we get 44 from here. Yes, 22 2's the 44, and here we will get 0. Yes, now one digit more left here to write, and this will also be brought down side. It is 2. Yes, and here you can see what can be written be under 2. 0 can be written. So 22 zeros the 0. Yes, after subtraction we got 2. Now here is, you can see we have written all the digits and not any digit left to brought down side. So our division is over. This is the remainder, this is the quotient, and this is the divisor, and this is the dividend. Now here again we will check that our sum is correct or not. Yes, how we can verify? What is the formula? Hope now you have learned this formula, that is dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Yes, now here divisor is 22, quotient is 1420, and the remainder is 2. Yes, firstly we will do this calculation. We will do the multiplication, that is 1420 multiply 22. 2 zeros the 0, 2 2's the 4, 2 4's the 8, 2 1's the 2. Here same numbers will be there because the same multiplication is there. Yes, so here 0, 4, 12, 1 carry, here 11, 1 again carry, 3. We got 31,240. Yes, and plus 2 is there, remainder we will add in this product, so we will get 31,242. Yes, we got the dividend as 31,420. We got the product, and 2 will be added here. 31,400 240. Here we got 240 plus 2. Now we will get 31,242. And you can see here this is the same as dividend that is given to us in the question. Yes, and this shows that our calculation is right. Yes friends, hope you have understood this concept. This concept will be more clear to you when you will do the sums by yourself. So understand these properly firstly, then try to do the sums. These are very easy. Yes, hope for your best. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.